one other thing that influenced your life while you were studying was you decided to give the civil services exam once, did not clear it, unfortunately. Do you still regret it?
That is actually there is one or two regrets surrounding that part. When I passed out, my clear plan was to prepare for the civil service. So that means I should have gone for masters और सिविल सर्विस का प्रिपरेशन करना. लेकिन सडनली एक चेंज हुआ एंड जस्ट स्मॉल डेविएशन. जब मैं पास आउट हुआ, I gave the exam for the Indian Air Force and I was selected as a commissioned officer. So that is at par with the civil services. But somehow I did not opt for that. Got selected and did not join. I took up a job which was not too much demanding on the time. And I thought I can continue with the job and study for the civil services. While some of my friends, they took off from job or other studies and they devoted full time for the civil services. More than the civil service not trying remaining attempts, other regret which I have, many of my friends were telling, okay, along with the civil service, prepare for the engineering service also. That's equally good. So at least you clear one of that. And I was so confident that I'll complete clear the civil service. So I did not take that option. And then in the first attempt, because civil service has 3 layers, prelims, main and interview. I was hoping in the first attempt, at least I'll go up to I'll clear the mains. So only the interview part may be remaining, that I'll improve on the second and third attempt. But in the first attempt, when I did not clear the mains, somehow I got so demotivated, I decided not to continue, which is one regret which I have even today. I should have continued trying. And this is just coincidence. Then government changed the limit also. Earlier there were only 3 attempts, then they made it 4. So that is one regret which I have, but it's now almost 35 years old
Okay.
story.
I have a question based on that. पर उससे पहले मुझे तुम्हें एक कविता सुनाना चाहता हूँ हरिवंश राय बच्चन की. एंड कविता कुछ ऐसे जाती है. जो बीत गई सो बात गई, जीवन में एक सितारा था, माना वो बेहद प्यारा था. वो डूब गया तो डूब गया. अंबर के आनंद को देखो, कितने इसके तारे टूटे, कितने इसके प्यारे छूटे. जो छूट गए फिर कहाँ मिले, पर बोलो टूटे तारों पर कब अंबर शोक मनाता है. जो बीत गई सो बात गई. जीवन में वो था एक कुसुम, थे उस पर नित्य निछावर तुम. वो सूख गया तो सूख गया. मधुवन की छाती को देखो, सूखी कितनी इसकी कलियां, मुरझाई कितनी वलरियां. जो मुरझाई फिर कहाँ खिली, पर बोलो सूखे फूलों पर कब मधुवन शोर मचाता है. जो बीत गई सो बात गई. तो इसके ऊपर क्वेश्चन ये है, लुकिंग बैक नाउ, do you think not clearing the civil services exam was in fact the biggest blessing of your life? And I say that because let's do a thought experiment. Because you're from IIT, I'm sure you love these things. Let's imagine the life you would have taken if you had got into civil services. You would have been an IS officer, government की नौकरी. At that time, काफ़ी prestige था उस नौकरी में. अब, I don't know, your reviews might be different. Also, we have first-hand experience of what happens to people in those kind of jobs if you're not flexible to toe the line, if you are not ready to compromise on integrity, which people who know you know that you will never do. So that is another life. When you didn't clear it, you went for a corporate job, ended up moving to Oman, ended up moving to Dubai, got a house here as well. So looking back now, do you think that you actually got the better option, even though you didn't like it at that point?
Very difficult ये कहना है कि ये अच्छा है या वो अच्छा है. What you are saying, वो even my father used to say, सिविल सर्विस का जो चार्म है वो तभी तक है जब तक कि पॉलिटिकली अलाइंड हैं. एंड मैनी टाइम्स दे आर गुड पार्ट्स ऑल्सो, बट मैनी टाइम्स पीपल हैव टू कंप्रोमाइज विद देयर इंटीग्रिटी एंड समटाइम्स इट इज़ रिस्क ऑल्सो टू द लाइफ. बट एक प्रेस्टीज एंड स्टेटस जो इंडिया में अटैच्ड है उसके साथ, वो समथिंग इज ऑफ वर्थ अचीविंग. यस, आई नो कि सिविल सर्विस में अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. हियर द लाइफ विच आई हैव लिव्ड is much more comfortable and straightforward life. This I agree. It's a very straightforward, no compromise ever. And day-to-day working is very good. So yes, both lives has their own charm. So very difficult to say which would have been better. I got it this. And probably I always keep saying in my life, destiny works much more stronger than the what I wish. So कई बार changes destiny करा देती है.